So here we are at Snetterton. The car's all ready for tomorrow. We've got 3 sessions tomorrow total. We've got a practice at 9 o'clock. I think then we've got qualifying at 10 o'clock, is it?
Qualifying at 10.
And then we've got the actual race after that. I can't remember what time it is. Maybe
1:45.
1:45.
Yeah, or 1:45.
And then all we've got to do before the race, or between qualifying and race, is work out how much fuel we're going to take on, the minimum necessary, obviously.
Yeah.
And go from there.
Yeah.
We've got some new stickers on the car as well.
That'll make it slightly faster.
Yeah.
But the main thing tomorrow for practice, for the first half of practice, is to bed the brakes in. We've put some new discs on the front, and we've just shaved a bit off the pads just to try and get them keyed in perfect for tomorrow.
Apart from that, we're pretty much
Ready to go.
good, aren't we? Yeah.
Just need to check oil and do tyre pressures.
Might lean in a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, that's probably enough. We just finished qualifying, and we qualified in the end 10th out of 14 in Class C. It was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah, car handled fine.
Prior to that, we'd done some setup changes. We softened off the dampers a bit, put them down. What was it, 2 clicks or 4 clicks? Can't remember now from what they were. 2 clicks, but softened them off, which has helped a bit. So it's been raining throughout practice and qualifying, which has not been ideal. That sort of misty rain in certain areas of the track.
That fine rain that really soaks you through.
Yeah, it's a wet rain. Yeah. And we're hoping for a dry race.
Yeah, we can see some blue sky now. So there hasn't been any more rain since. So let's keep fingers crossed. Our lap times will hopefully come down, and we'll make a good start. Graham's going to start the race. It's at 1:45, so that's it's about 2 hours from now. We'll just go over the car. Going to empty it of fuel, calibrate the fuel, put the right amount in for the pit stop, and I think that was about it, wasn't it?
That's pretty much it. Not much to do.
No,
Yeah.
all good. Wish us luck. We'll let you know after the race. I work best when I just ad lib.
That's going in.
Hello everyone. We've just stopped at services, finished the day at Snetterton, had a great day, wet start as you know, but luckily a dry race, so all our prayers were answered, not an ounce of rain throughout the whole race. So just to recap, you have to edit that again. Just to recap then, qualifying we started off 39th out of 44. I can't remember what we were in class. And went out in the race. Graham did the first hour, and it was a good start, wasn't it?
It was okay.
Happy with the start?
Yeah, happy with the start. It was. I didn't make any places, but I don't think I lost any places.
Didn't lose any. And then the safety car came out, so the mission was just try and maintain some heat in the tyres and brakes.
And that was up for about 5 laps.
5 laps.
It seemed like forever. So I was constantly waiting for the green flag and green lights to come back on, but it took a long time.
Yeah. So once that was done, back to racing, and Graham made some good pace, kept some good pace, and just chipped away at each of the opposition in front of us. But it was quite strong opposition, wasn't there? There wasn't.
Very strong. Well, we were quite weak, perhaps. I don't know.
Probably. And we had a 3.5 minute pit stop. Everything went well. Fueling wasn't an issue, and we swapped drivers, went straight out. And after I'll cut to it, so we're over the moon really. So the provisional results for today, which I've managed to get hold of on the 750 Motor Club website, so we finished 21st out of 43, and 6th in class. So we are chuffed to bits with a fastest lap time of, what was it?
1:19.
2:19.
2:19.
Would have been
impressive. 2:19.05 was it?
2:19.5.
0.5.
Yeah. So all in all, a successful day. That little Lotus has been absolutely fantastic. Some advice from a couple of the guys in the pits was make sure you rev it all the way. So we did. Rev to 7.2. Its gearbox has got a bit clunky and a little bit graunchy on the downshift, so you'll hear a lot of revving trying to get it into the correct gears.
I missed a gear coming from 3rd into 2nd a few times. You'll see that in the videos.
Yeah, and if you don't blip it to get or match the revs to try and get it into 2nd, the synchros are pretty shot, so you won't be getting 2nd. So that's our winter job, which we'll talk about in other videos, what our plan is over winter. New gearbox, hopefully, fingers crossed.
That's pretty much it, isn't it?
Yeah, that's pretty much it. We've got our trip home. We've just had a bit of food, nice coffee, and then we're going to travel home, put the car away, and then sort it all out tomorrow.